The idea of a product that contains only those features that real users value the best sounds like a product you can only obtain through a custom build. But with the release of the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, FE, Samsung has made this idea a reality. Packed with fan-favorite features and color options, the Galaxy S20 FE was developed with the incorporation of user feedback collected right in the beginning of the product planning phase from the Samsung members community all around the world. The Galaxy S20 FE brings the innovative mobile experience characteristic of the Galaxy flagship range to a wider audience. Equipped with a super smooth display, AI-powered camera, large-capacity battery and possessing a sophisticated, premium design, the Galaxy S20 FE offers users a premium experience from the very first moment of unboxing. Samsung Newsroom took a look inside the box to see what the Galaxy S20 FE has to offer users. 1. First impressions: colorful look, luxurious feel. These days, we use smartphones for just about everything that we do, from communication to business to entertainment. They have become an essential part of our modern lifestyles, especially for millennials and Generation Z, for whom smartphones have long been an accessory to expressing one's own personality. Reborn for the fans, the Galaxy S20 FE comes in a crisp white box. The huge S20 that cuts across the top matches the color of the phone inside, cloud navy for this unboxing, which is a nice detailing touch. Unboxed, you are met with a simple selection of items, just the handset itself, a charging adapter and its cable, only the very essence of what is necessary. The entire lineup of Galaxy S20 FE devices has been designed based on the color preferences of fans. Cloud Lavender and Cloud Mint are softer, pastel hues, while Cloud Navy and Cloud White are chic, minimalistic shades and Cloud Red is a warm, statement color option. The 5 different color hues provide a wider range of options for users who want their phones to reflect their personalities. The rear body of the Galaxy S20 FE has been finished with a haze technique for a matte and luxurious feel. The haze-finished body also minimizes fingerprints and smudges and will change shades slightly depending on the angle it is held at in relation to a light source for a subtle allure. The steel material applied to the side differs according to which shade of device is chosen. To ensure consistency, both the side of the device and the camera have the same material applied for a premium finish. One of the biggest benefits of the Galaxy S20 FE is that it can make you stand out even if you are not wearing a single accessory. Just slide it into your pocket and the device, along with your chosen statement cloud shade, will enhance your entire look. Samsung Newsroom recommends using a transparent case and being sure to showcase the device's rear side when taking selfies to make the most of your chosen hue. 2. The display, high-performing and responsive for non-stop entertainment. When it comes to enjoying immersive contents on a smartphone, a high-quality display is key. The Galaxy S20 FE has been equipped with an Infinity O Super AMOLED flat display, which truly showcases its capabilities when used for entertainment or video chatting thanks to its expansive size. The bezel-less design of the Galaxy S20 FE's full screen is eye-catching. 2. For more screen real estate, the diameter of the front-facing camera hole has been reduced to 3.34 mm, the smallest among all current Galaxy models. Additionally, the Galaxy S20 FE's 120 Hz refresh rate, one of the highest in the industry, provides a seamless and fluid experience when you are surfing the web, browsing social media and streaming videos. 3. The camera, a powerful front camera and masterful nighttime capabilities. The Galaxy S20 FE is targeted in particular at those millennial and Gen Z users who enjoy taking selfies and video chatting. The powerful 32-megapixel (MP) front-facing camera features tetra-binning technology, which combines 4 pixels into one to ensure sharp and vivid selfies anytime, anywhere. Nowadays, we live in the age of personal media, where one person can take charge of every part of the media production process, from recording through to editing. One of the great advantages of the Galaxy S20 FE is that its front-facing camera is capable of capturing videos of UHD resolution, 3840 by 2160. You can also make sure your videos are stylish by monitoring the screen while recording, which is a huge benefit for those who take part in live streaming. Furthermore, the rear triple lens camera features a 12MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide camera and an 8MP telephoto camera. The Galaxy S20 FE features the largest dual-pixel image sensor of all the current Galaxy series devices, helping you take the most colorful pictures possible in low-light environments. In the same way human eyes focus in nighttime lighting conditions, the dual sensor sharpens the focus of the camera to reduce any glare or noise, helping you capture vivid memories even in the dark. If you want to capture a distant object as if it is right in front of you on your Galaxy S20 FE, you can use the Space Zoom feature. Space Zoom lets you take photos with up to 3x optical zoom without undermining the picture quality and up to 30x super resolution zoom. For the performance, a phone capable of keeping up with the number of things we can do on and with our smartphones these days continues to grow. Be you streaming videos or playing AAA games, the Galaxy S20 FE is able to provide you with a seamless, smooth and powerful experience, thanks in no small part to its 5G connectivity and Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. There is nothing worse than a low battery notification from your phone right when you need to use it the most. The Galaxy S20 FE is equipped with a robust 4500 mAh battery that provides you with powerful device performance throughout the day. A product reveals its true value only when it is used. Built in collaboration with the fans, the Galaxy S20 FE presents users with a variety of features that function just as they would on other Galaxy flagship models. Going forward, Samsung will continue to provide a differentiated device lineup that puts fans right at the center of every part of the development process. So friends, expect it. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.